Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at this gorgeous new Koenigsegg model. Name is Jesko, named after Christian von Koenigsegg's father, who put his savings into this company. And well, this is astonishing piece of work. So first of all, let's start with the horsepower. It's got 1,600 horsepower. Insane. And just look at the engine, the V8 engine. This is the way it looks from the rear. Massive diffuser, of course. Now, car is capable of doing more than 300 miles per hour. That's completely insane, right? As you can see, nice carbon wheels there, something that we saw on other Koenigsegg models, and this is actually the replacement for the Agera RS. So just look at some of the features, such as this front splitter, of course in carbon. Then you have the side skirts in carbon wheels. Of course, the doors open in a way that the other Koenigsegg model doors open. And this is from the front. Looks very, very aggressive. Just look at this. So yeah, impressive piece of engineering. Let's look at the specs. So they are here. Okay, so these are the specs. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, 1,600 horsepower. They're paired, of course, with 9-speed automatic gearbox. Tell me in the comments what you think about this beast. It really looks out of this world. It will be amazing to see it on the road. I'm sure I'll see it one day somewhere, probably Monaco or something like that. But yeah, completely insane. We have the man himself, Christian von Koenigsegg. And this is the way it looks from the back, with the hood closed. So yeah, this is how it looks when everything is open. Crazy. Okay guys, so that was it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more car reviews from Geneva. And that's it. Bye bye.